Hey there friends, as always it is so good to see you. This video we are kicking her off late. Today we are actually well into the evening, and that's because we've got some work to do. This type of work is normally easy once all the kiddos have become sound asleep. We are very excitedly getting the wallpaper installed tomorrow in both the study and Lola Rose's room. We are preparing the walls to better accept the wallpaper. While it's not the first thing on my list I'd want to be doing tonight, it is absolutely a necessary task that needs to be done before the installation. So without further ado,
take my time, dear, just to keep you around here. Know what they say, you can't keep the clouds away, away, far away. Every day is a brand new day. All my life I've been searching for the right way to keep my head above the clouds, to keep myself from looking down. It's harder than you think to live our days in happiness and worry about what happens next. It's harder than you think to. It's harder than you think. Life's moving faster.
this evening we are off to do one of our favorite summertime traditions, and that is berry picking. It's currently blueberry and blackberry season, more so blackberries at the moment. We do have a ton of wild blackberries around our land, but the size of ours just don't come close to comparing what this farm produces. We go to this farm several times a year. We've gotten to know the owners, and every time we pull up to their beautiful drive, it's just such a nostalgic feeling. The topic of discussion while we are filling our buckets is normally what we're going to make out of what we have picked. I'll let you know the consensus in a bit.
What my eyes cannot see, or has the antidote to brokenness evaded me? Could I believe in what my ears have not heard, or will the suffering that surrounds me have the final word? Even on the darkest nights I know the sun will rise. I will trust the promise I cannot see with my eyes. Even when the clouds surround, I know the sun still shines. But when will it break through? Jesus, I need you.
Everyone, it is finally officially the weekend today, and I thought it'd be really fun to make a cobbler out of the blackberries that we picked last night, and I thought what better to go on top of that cobbler than vanilla ice cream. Problem is we don't have that. So this morning, Blake and I are going to head out for a little date morning, grab a coffee from one of our favorite coffee shops, and then head to the market for that ice cream. After we come back, we'll get going on the cobbler. dimly lit with cozy seating, inviting all who enters to sit down and steal away for a bit. I never tire of wandering the little aisles of this tiny bookshop. With You've Got Mail being one of my absolute favorite movies, I'd like to think the mood isn't too dissimilar to that of Kathleen's shop around the corner. Most of the time, we have intentions of just going in to browse a little bit and take in the atmosphere. However, very rarely we walk away empty-handed. So we are back home now. As you can see, we took a couple detours. One of them was the bookstore, and we got a couple of books. Our middle two are pretty much conjoined at the hip, and at nighttime they like to read books together. So we're always looking for different authors or other series that they can try. They're definitely into mystery. So if you got any suggestions for them, Blake and I got a book that looks like it would be for them, but the owner actually recommended this to us. She explained to us that this is basically a very similar story about the Scooby-Doo cast, except they all come back as adults. And it sounds like their mystery solving endeavors are basically reignited after the bunch of them become reunited again. Now, enough about what you didn't come here for. Let's go make that cobbler.
There's a lot to see, a lot to do. Recently I've realized I like doing it all with you. Take my hand, twirl me around, hold me close, don't ever put me down. Every time I look at you, you're looking back at me, my dear. When you are around, everything seems crystal clear. I've been dreaming of this moment, hoping for something real, for something real. Way back when I was a lonely soul, holding on to a heart so cold. Letting go is the only way to free myself from the years of pain. You came to me like an ocean breeze, words so sweet I thought I'd never see. Love like this is all I need. Never thought I'd be so free. I can't count all the times I've tried to fill the void that's broken me apart so many times. Then you
So we just got an unexpected message from our treehouse builder letting us know that both the decking and the bridge had been completely finished. It sounds absolutely crazy, but it's been over a year since we've visited that property. Because we knew absolutely nothing about tree houses, we went ahead and just let them take full control over this portion. The next part, we're going to be 100 times more involved, so let me know if you want to be taken through that process extensively. But the fun part is, while the pie is cooling, we've told the kids we're going somewhere else and we are going to surprise them with what has been finished thus far. I think this is going to be really fun, as this will be the first look for all of us.
My life, hold me close, hold me tight. Every time I look at you, you're looking back at me, my dear. When you are around, everything seems crystal clear. I've been dreaming of this moment, hoping for something real, for something real. Way back when I was a lonely soul, holding on to a heart so cold. Letting go is the only way to free myself from the years of pain. You came to me like an ocean breeze, words so sweet I thought I'd never see. Love like this is all I need. Never thought I'd be so free.
Well, good morning, friends. So today's project is something that I have had in the back of my mind for quite a long time. I have a feeling that I'm definitely not the only one that has this issue. I am speaking of the dreaded cord. Some people like to take advantage of these little moments and maybe add somewhat of a creative aspect to that. For example, maybe you want to have it stand out to where you have bold, colorful pattern involved. It's kind of a similar thing when it comes to your light switches. Some people like to really draw your attention to them and have little beautiful things that surround them. I, for one, just kind of like to hide them. As you have probably seen, mine match the exact color of the paint because I just prefer not to see them. Whichever way you choose isn't wrong. You can actually see the cord that we are speaking of in the background, since this room has really been the main attraction for the last few weeks. I'm going ahead and make one for here. Not to mention, it's probably one that bugs me the most out of all of them. So for this project, I am digging way back deep into my summer camp days. We often made bracelets for one another, and this is one of the techniques that we would use. Also, if you've seen some of the hanging plants around my house, this is called macrame. There's all kinds of knots that you can use, but this is definitely the simplest one, because I don't want to bore you with a tutorial. In case this is not a project you want to do, I will link one in the description box. I really wasn't sure if this was going to work, but in the end, I think it turned out pretty well. Essentially, I just made the lamp cord act as if it were one of the middle strands and kept on trucking. I ended up doing 4 cords, and each of them were 4 times longer than the lamp cord itself. This would be so much fun if you were a colorful person to do some kind of pattern and make your cords some sort of fun feature. If y'all choose to do that, let me know in the comments section. I think that would be so fun. Projects like these, if you happen to be listening to a good audiobook or podcast, this is the perfect time to indulge. Speaking of audiobooks, if you happen to know any that may be seasonally aesthetic, I kind of like to theme what I intake around the seasons, if you haven't noticed. So if you've got a good read, or rather listen, that you can recommend, I would so appreciate it.
Every time I look at you, you're looking back at me, my dear. When you are around, everything seems crystal clear. I've been dreaming of this moment, hoping for something
what better to go on top of cobbler than vanilla ice cream? Vanilla. New series is different types of series